In this video, I'm gonna show you how to start YouTube automation business for beginners step by step without showing your face and without using your voice. And the best part is you can start with $0. Yes, with $0. I started this faceless YouTube channel as you can see over here in my screen, and in the last 90 days I made $4,810. I make videos by myself. I'm not hiring any voiceover or any script writer or any video editor. I make all the videos processed by myself, okay? And in today's video I'm gonna share with you how you can start step by step without investing any money, because you can start with $0. Yes, you can start even if you don't have money. So let's get into it. So as you can see, this channel made me $4,810 uploading easy videos, and as you can see, even some days $216, $133, even some days up to $434. Okay, so to start this business, this YouTube automation business, people telling you that you will need to go to Fiverr, and you need to search for script writer. Okay, you need to pay script writer. Okay, as you can see, $10 or maybe almost $200, $13 if you want to get good script. Okay, then you will need script writer, and you will need voiceover. Okay, but if you don't have money, what you will do is you can start even if you don't have money. Then search again. Let's search for voiceover and see how much people are charging here. As you can see, those people will record your YouTube scripts. That's a lot of money. $16 for 100 words. That's a lot. $16, 65, $100. That's a lot of money. And then you need to search for video editor. So let's video editing. So you will pay at least almost between $70 and $100 for one video. It's a lot of money. You can see, if you search for video editing, there are a lot of people here that will edit your video and make the video for you. But you cannot just from the first day, from the first month you want to start, you will start investing money. Okay, what you will do for me, what I did, I will use the free AI tools. Okay, there are a lot of free AI tools that you can use to make the videos for free. Okay, so I will show you step by step how you can do it. Okay, so I found, for example, I did some research and I found this successful faceless YouTube channel, as you can see over here. Okay, and this channel, by the way guys, this channel is faceless YouTube channel. They are not showing their face on the videos. They are just using easy and simple videos, tutorial videos, without showing their face and without using their voice. Okay, it's easy. As you can see, it's easy to make like those videos, and as you can see, those videos getting millions of views. Okay, as you can see over here, and of course making a lot of money. This channel has 5 million subscribers. If we go to view channel state, okay, like this, you can see in the last 13 days this channel has got 10 million views. Okay, just with 4 videos. So of course this channel is making a lot of money. This channel is making a lot of money every single month. Okay, so as you can see, those videos are easy to make. For example, this one, 10 tips to increase your push-ups fast, 20 foods that have almost 0 calories. Those videos are easy. This one, what happened after 13 days of cold shower. Let's take for example this topic. So I will make a video like this one with free AI tools. So what I will do now, I will go to ChatGPT, okay? I will use ChatGPT, go to Google, search for ChatGPT, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, click over here. You can use free version. I was just using free version, guys, as you can see, okay? I will ask him, make an engaging YouTube script, okay, about, let me see the topic, about what happens after 13 days, okay, about what happens after 13 days of cold shower, okay, of cold shower. Let me see, yes, of cold showers. I will click over here and ChatGPT will create an amazing and engaging YouTube script for you, as you can see over here, okay? Here you go. We'll give you acts number 1, number 2, tips, and so on, okay? So let me see. This is your title, okay? The Cold Truth, 13 Days of Cold Shower Transformation. Great title, introduction, and this is the video, okay? The water cold, okay. I'm gonna copy. What you will do now is you need to record this YouTube script, and I will show you how you can do it. So for example, I will take this part, let me see, okay, I will copy just this part to show you guys, okay? So what you will do is you can record this YouTube script using your own voiceover. If you don't want to use your own voiceover, go to Google, search for Play HT, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to this AI voiceover website is easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So what you will do, click over here on voice change and choose which voiceover you want to use for your YouTube videos. Canadian voiceover, Australian voiceover, American voiceovers, British voiceovers, as you can see.
No-nonsense investigator Tyler Elliott.
They have really good quality voiceovers, okay?
Dude, I remember, yeah, it's crazy when you look at a 10-year-old, it looks like they're doing nothing, kind of like they're dumb and their neck's getting longer.
You see, that's great quality, high quality of voiceover, okay? I will put my YouTube script here. Okay, let me see, act number 1, okay. So let me delete this. I need to change it, okay? So let's go back to ChatGPT. I will copy this part, okay? And I will go to this website and I will put this part over here. Then I will go again to ChatGPT and I will copy this part over here like this, and I will put this part here, okay, like this, okay? So what you will do next is you need to click over here on generate speech, okay, like this, and you just need to wait a few minutes and your YouTube voiceover will be ready, okay? Then I will show you how you can make the video easy and simple, okay? So let's see. If you don't have money, use this method, start your own faceless YouTube channel, and you don't need to invest any money, so you just need to give it a try. What you will lose? Anything. You will not lose anything, you just need to give it a try, okay? So you just need to wait for this voiceover, for this script to be recorded. Then I will show you how you can make the videos. Okay, let me see. So it's easy. You can start your own faceless YouTube channel, like I said, with $0, guys. Okay, not like the people showing you. I tried faceless YouTube channels and I made blah blah blah. Then they ask you to buy their courses. No, no one share how you can start your own faceless YouTube channel from scratch. How you can make videos, faceless YouTube videos without investing any money. So in this video I show you everything. You just need to start and give it a try. Okay. And here you go, your voiceover will be ready. Okay, so let's check.
All right, day one. The water's cold, and so am I. But they say great things never come from comfort zones, right? Let's see what happens. The first week was a bit rough, not gonna lie. The initial shock, the gasps for breath, it's like jumping into an icy lake every morning.
You see, this AI voiceover is really amazing. Okay, it's like human voiceover. Then click over here on this icon over here, and your voiceover will be downloaded to your laptop. So what you need to do next is you need to go to Canva. Okay, we will use Canva to make the videos. Okay, easy and simple. Go to Google, search for Canva. Canva is a free website that you can use, and you can sign up just by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page. Scroll down, click on video. You can see video over here. Click on video. Then you will be directly in this page over here. Click over here on upload, and you need to click on upload file and upload your voiceover. Okay, so I will upload my voiceover here. Okay, so this is my voiceover. You will click on open, and your voiceover will be over here. Click on your voiceover, then your voiceover will be over here. Click on add page and add more page that will be matched with your voiceover, like this. Okay, then go to the first page, click between those two pages, click on add transition, choose which transition you want to add between your videos, make it to 0.3, click on apply between all page, click over here on elements, click on the search and search for cold shower. Okay, like this, search for cold shower, click on videos, so let me see. So I will use, for example, this one. Click on the video that you want to use. Your video will be over here. Click on these 3 points, set the video as background, make the video short, click on the next page and add another video. Okay, so let me see. I will add this one, for example. So you can click here, swipe left or swipe right, and you can make it short or long. So I will make it short so you can add different videos. Okay, I will add this one over here. Okay, then I will make it short like this. Click on the next page, scroll down. So let me see. let's add this one over here like this, make it short. Next page, let's add this one here. It's easy and simple to make those videos, guys, as you can see, and you can make those videos with $0. Let's add this one here. Okay, let's check now this video, guys, and let me know in the comments what's your opinion. Okay, let me see. Okay, let's see.
Alright, day one. The water's cold and so am I. But they say great things never come from comfort zones, right? Let's see what happens. The first week was a bit rough. Gonna lie, the initial shock, the gasps for breath, it's like jumping into an icy lake every morning. But hey, they say diamonds are made under pressure. Alright, day one. The water's cold and so am I. But they say great things never come from comfort zones, right? Let's see what happens. The first week was a bit rough, not gonna lie. The initial shock, the gasps for breath, it's like jumping into an icy lake every morning. But hey, they say diamonds are made under pressure.
And here you go, guys. As you can see, we just made faceless YouTube video without using our voice, without showing our faces, just by using free AI tools. Okay, after you finish, click over here on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Then you can go and upload this video to your YouTube channel, start making videos. Give it time. If you give it time, you can make better videos on Canva just by using those easy method that I show you. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comments, and see you in my next video. After you finish, you can click over here on share, click on download, and download this video to your laptop. And as you can see, this video, for example, over here, what happened after 13 days of cold shower, got millions of views, as you can see, and it's still getting views. People are still watching this video that we just made using Canva. Okay, it's really easy and simple. So see you in my next video.